Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my in-home preschool. I did start out as a virtual preschool teacher during 2020, and then I started helping out with some kids in my community, and I am a mom of 3. And then when I relocated to Las Vegas, saw the need for childcare in my area, and I am a public school teacher substitute, so I just decided to help out some of the families in my community. And this is a tour of my in-home preschool. I do preschool from 8 to 12 p.m. and then throughout the day the kids go home, and then I just enjoy the rest of my day. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are interested in starting your own preschool.